Hi everyone, welcome to the English Grammar Lesson 11. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns. Subject is the noun that performs the main action in a sentence. So, the subject pronouns are the words which we use instead of the subject of a sentence. Singular subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. Plural subject pronouns are we, you, they. The children are in the garden. The word the children is the subject of the sentence. As it is a plural noun, we need to use they as the subject pronoun. They are playing. By replacing the subject with a subject pronoun, we can avoid repetition. Thus, without repeating the noun the children, for example, the children are playing, we can use they. They are playing. The children are in the garden. They are playing. So it's very clear that the subject, the children, is replaced by a subject pronoun in the second sentence. They are playing. Object pronouns. Object is the noun that receives the action in a sentence. So, the object pronouns are the words which we use instead of the object of a sentence. Singular object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. Plural object pronouns are us, you, them. The servant is washing the little girl. The little girl is the object of the sentence. So, without repeating the same noun, we can use an object pronoun, her. The mother is feeding her. This is the summary of what we learned today. Singular subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. The singular object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. The plural subject pronouns are we, you, and they. The plural object pronouns are us, you, them. Example: the children are eating apples. They are eating them in the garden. So, the summary is that we use subject pronouns and object pronouns to avoid repetition of the same noun or the same word of a sentence. Thank you for watching and see you from the next video on English Grammar Lesson 12.